What is up, guys, and welcome back to the show. It's your boy Lex Money. A lot of people on crypto YouTube will probably not tell you is that they did a big fat poopy time in their pants last night. I did a big fat stinky poo-poo, guys. I was the same as you when I did look at my portfolio. I thought, holy crap, I need new boxes. Then I said, wait a minute, let's go and be a bit level-headed. Now, we've got some digging to do in the charts today, guys, so please do bear with me and make sure you watch to the end because we all need to be on the same page now. A lot of these influencer idiots, they just change like the weather, right? They will flip bearish the minute that we do have a breakdown before we've even had a daily candle close. And I said to the members, I'll say it to you guys every single day, we need confirmations. Now, ICP is looking good because you can see we technically are printing a higher low. This could be the beginning of a trend reversal, guys. Now, we obviously need to have weekly and monthly candle closes above this previous level at $5.93, but even the wick didn't get that low yesterday, guys, and I was seeing coins like down 27-28%. I think ICP went down around 19% if I'm correct, but we still maintained a higher low and it looks like it's being bought up. Not to say that we can't continue the flush lower, but on immediate inspection, guys, we did hold up pretty well. I'm sure a lot of you guys did watch my video earlier and yesterday, but we anticipated this new panic zone, and that was going to be right at the bottom area of the trend line. I said we're most likely going to wick below it as a massive bear trap. What happened? Boom. We had a massive wick below that, guys, and look where we are now. We're still finding support at this trend line. We haven't closed there yet, so we can't get too ahead of ourselves. If we do have a couple of daily candle closes below it, then I need this yellow line to hold, and we also need a weekly candle / monthly candle to be holding in this level. But what did we say? New panic. Everyone's going to say the bull runs over. Everyone's going to say no altcoin season. Blah, 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 blah. It happened. Seb, shut up. But this is fantastic. And this is why I did not sell all of my bag yesterday. Like a lot of people were asking, right, when do we start to get out of the market? I'm super fearful right now. I said, hold on a minute. We need confirmation. So this is step one of being a little bit happy about what we're seeing in the market, guys. Next, I posted here, I think it was today, maybe. Yeah, today. It all feels like one long day, to be honest, guys. It has been stressful. I was up all night last night looking at the chart. I'm sure a lot of you guys were as well. I said, look at this. We need to have a candle close above this 1618 breakdown target for ETH for all of our alts to recover, and that was at 2363.7. Completed the 1.1618 breakdown target, and now we are at 2464.8. We are above the 1618 breakdown level, guys. Are you starting to catch my drift? We need to plan ahead of time and not just say, right, you know, be super reactive to the market. We need to say, this is what we need to see to return bullish. If we don't see it, then probably we're going to go lower, and maybe we will revisit $1,629, which would be very sucky for the entire market. Further on from that, we also said we had a key area to hold at about 480 billion, or the lower area of this channel for the total three, everything excluding Bitcoin and ETH. We are now having a massive wick out of it. We haven't closed a daily, we haven't closed a weekly, but this is showing us signs that, holy crap, that was a massive fear event, and probably a lot of people got shaken out. A lot of people would have got liquidated today as well, but we're still maintaining bullish structure. Okay, we're still maintaining it. That's great, but still the market's got a long way to go. However, we are seeing some of our top performers have a reversal. I said to you guys in yesterday's video, look, I'm looking at Solana, I'm looking at Chainlink. Solana went down to like $110, guys, and now it's at $133. Chainlink went down to like $8, $7. It's now nearly at 10. ICP went down to $6.20 something. It's now at $7.30. This is why we have a plan of what we want to pick up on these massive fear dumps. Casper was at 12 cents yesterday, guys, or earlier today, right? Now, something to bear in mind for us to be looking for a reversal. Look what happened in March 2020. Massive COVID crash. Then we had a massive rejection and a wick towards the upside, very reminiscent of the COVID crash right now. And if you want to get a little bit deeper into it and really zoom in onto the 2-hour time frame, look what Bitcoin and ETH looked like during that COVID crash. Massive capitulation, right? Then we had a slow grind out of there. We had a massive capitulation for both Bitcoin and Ethereum. Now it looks like we could be having a slow grind out. However, it's not over yet, guys, because if we don't have the candle closes out of there, then yes, we could still have more downward momentum and our alts could bleed even more. So while I'm saying to you guys, like, look, it's looking good for now in the short term, blah, 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 we still need to be hyper focused and not running away from the charts, not running away from our portfolio. When everyone says, don't look at your portfolio, it's going to be fine. Look at your portfolio and know what the hell you are investing into and what areas need to hold, because if you don't look at the portfolio, then maybe you do and it's too late, and maybe it does return bearish, then, you know, you wouldn't have had the opportunity to get out if you did want to do that. But personally, I'm going to be holding on for a very long time. And for all of you who aren't subscribed, it's kind of freaky because I literally made a video to say avoid the shakeout. Then 2 days later, we had a massive shakeout, right? But what I was saying in this one, play a short little bit from it. I think I was basically just saying, look, Ethereum going lower is probably going to give ICP our buy targets, which could then bring down ICP to that $7.87 while still maintaining a higher low, still maintaining a bullish structure on the macro chart, guys. Yeah, so that's what I was basically saying, like at the beginning of this video as well. We're still maintaining a higher low and a bullish structure, and we couldn't expect to be breaking $9 regardless of that crash or not, because we had that massive resistance that we were underneath at that point, guys. So for now, guys, I mean, for ICP, I'm going to be expecting some resistance at the 382, and that was at our buy level, the breakdown buy level at $7.87, probably the 0.5 fib, and probably the 0.618 all the way up to $9. So in the short term, I'm not expecting anything. I'm not expecting anything spectacular right now, guys, but we need to keep a close eye on the total 3, on Ethereum and on ICP for a massive reversal. And remember, ICP was one that held up, pretty much one of the strongest out of all of our altcoins that we do hold. And I know a lot of you guys who watch the videos, you're pretty much all ICP, so it's all sunshine and roses for you. Sunshine, they say, I don't know, one of those sayings, right? It's looking good, guys. Okay, so really we need to be making sure that we do hold that $6.11. If we do break below it, we can reevaluate if we're going to get $5.93 and if we're going to be printing a new low. But for now, Ethereum's having a rejection. It looks like Bitcoin's trying to have some sort of recovery. Only time is going to tell. We're going to have to wait for the daily and weekly close. So that's it, guys. Let me know how you're feeling in the comments. Did you shit your pants last night? Because I did a big fat poo-poo in my pants. You guys let me know in the comments. And if you made it this far, be sure to support the channel by smashing that like button. Go and drop me a sub if you're not already. I'm going to see you tomorrow, guys. Peace.